making a living the old hard.
Motor City does ball screws. We can provide ball screw repairs for CNC machine tools of all types. We are able to rework and repair any make or model ball screw for whatever machine tool you have. Need ball screws? Motor City can reverse engineer and manufacture many different ball screws of varying types and brands. In some cases, we can even provide new ball screws that are already made. If a new unit is not available, send us your broken ball screw. We will have your ball screw reverse engineered, manufactured new, and potentially have a spare unit made for future orders. No longer will you need to be forced to use the OEM pricing and deliveries. We provide free estimates and free reverse engineering. Reach out today. Sales@motorcityrepair.com.